Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 326 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Space Inside, a quiet moment to sit with the feeling of emptiness without judgment. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. If you've been feeling empty, hollow, drained, or distant, you don't need to push it away right now. Simply notice the space inside you without trying to fill it. Let the breath move gently through that space. No pressure to change the feeling, just a soft awareness of it. Now, say to yourself, I allow myself to feel. I create room for whatever is here. And I meet my emptiness with compassion. Notice how the breath makes even empty spaces feel a little less harsh, a little more open, and a little more human. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this compassion for your inner space with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.